All those glasses are star material though, guys.
Really make sure pumpkin don't get out.
Where's Hunky going?
It only took 20 years.
I want the green stuff.
Happy Easter, everybody! Wave.
Happy Easter! How do I try this? I was on.
So getting ready for Easter includes making the Easter baskets, which we have to do even for the big kids. Become a pretty nice tradition.
Except they're going to have a few less M&M peanuts.
Spooky's just there for moral support.
Are we getting to eating?
Yeah, I'm supposed to be taping and making the...
Oh. My goodness! I thought I had 4 of these.
One mysteriously disappear. One or two mysteriously disappear each year. So their Easter baskets are actually these plastic baskets that we see here, which are much more functional than Easter baskets.
They have a basket actually.
And of course, for every family fun night, we got to have peach stuff, and that's what she's working on right now. And I think she's going to pour it in this pan over here.
The deluxe. We don't make just a little thing of peach stuff anymore.
Yeah, it's become pretty popular.
Crowd size.
You have to let it set or anything, or?
Gonna put a topping on it and put it in the oven. Kind of hate to heat up the house, but usually we make this more with
What goes on the top?
cake mix. Another cake mix. Just plain crumbly cake mix. I think of this more as a winter dessert, but
Well, believe me, I think of it as an anytime dessert. There it goes.
now into the oven. Mom thought it was a roasting pan, but it's really a peach stuff.
Oh. Alright, we'll see it later. Have the usual activities at a family fun night if it's decent weather. Trampoline gets used. Mitchell's trying to get out of the frame, but he can't make it. So we'll kind of feature him a little bit here. This is our first one this year, I think.
In the middle, please. Yeah!
Whoa!
Jump, Casey, jump! Jump, Casey, jump! That's it, jump, Casey! Oh! Fall on brother's head, Casey!
That's alright, you're tough. Yeah, you're Oh, here she goes again.
Whoa!
Grandpa, watch.
Okay, let me back up just a little bit. Okay, now do it again. Yeah. Oh! Grandma heard we were having peach stuff, so she came over too.
Yes,
I can't resist that peach stuff.
it smells good.
And the ham. The ham. Oh, they just took the ham out. Wow, it looks so good. Ooh.
Smells good.
This is the first fun night we've had where we had the basket. So that's a new addition. Watch this guy shoot. Oh, come on, Crass. Oh, he was just making them like crazy this morning. Oh, lucky shot. Happy Easter, everybody. Hi. Happy Easter.
I'm so sorry, Mitchell.
We got pictures tonight with help from Grandpa, who's dropping his pop all over the place. He took a bunch of pictures for us. We're glad he stopped by. Happy Easter. Happy Easter.
Bye, Grandpa.
Oh, here come the Easter baskets.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready to go. I mean, this is all I need to help from you. You know, I bought all the stuff.
Yeah, man.
First, when he comes to your house.
Thank you all.
I need to get this finished.
Can I take him more, Mom and Dad? Blue. Oh, thank you. Blue one, thank you.
Yeah, rifle shells cost $20.
Bill pieces. Mommy and Dad, here we go. Is that for me? No, it's for both of you. It's for you and my mom, okay? Mom.
You're not our dad, just look for
Mom.
All right.
Wow, I got this.
Oh, yeah.
I hope that you gave the Quins,
You get that, Mom.
Sean
You
and
get
Tim,
that.
or
Come on,
Sean
get
and
it.
Tim. Thank you. Jill and Sean twins.
Hey, Katie.
Those Reese's peanut butter eggs. You guys would fight over them.
Hey, Mom, what is this blue thing?
It's I got one.
I was gonna say, you got one.
I was with her when she
Hey, I can take this to work. Actually, got a locker to put it.
It's a locker organizer, but it can like put shoes and stuff in it.
Oh, get off my candy! Bye, Mommy.
You're doing good.
There's a silver on my cake. You want me
Okay, see. What's the plan?
Fingerboard.
Knock over the plant.
Watch the pictures. Watch the drink.
What's the kid?
You people have problems. Gotta get a picture.
What, you got Whoppers there? How many you got in your mouth?
How many?
Oh, look at it. How many? 4? How many are in there? Oh my goodness. Are they good, Casey? They yummy? Oh yeah.
Come on.
What you guys gonna do? What you got?
We're gonna die. Die.
All right. Aren't they dead already? You
No.
gonna make them die?
Yeah.
What does it mean to die 'em? What do you mean die 'em?
Die.
What do you mean die 'em? What's that do?
Color.
Oh, it changes their color?
Yeah.
Slow down.
Color is green. Green color.
Keep chewing.
There's red, there's yellow, there's orange, there's green, there's gray, there's black.
Wait a minute.
Can we?
All right, what color are you making it?
Red.
Red on both ends?
Are you almost done?
You gotta leave it in there.
Hurry up.
The longer you leave it in there, the more red it gets.
Fire back, finally fire back.
You got one in there, Ryan?
Yeah.
Drive.
It's orange.
Orange? I like orange.
Is it mine, Mom? Yeah. Okay.
Did you want them mixing them up, hon?
What?
You want them mixing them up? Okay.
Keep chewing. We give away all
You almost killed us more than once.
Oh no.
More than just in the pinto, I think.
Are we out here?
There you go.
We still got another gear, man.
Where do we put them?
Oh, look at yours, Ryan. Hold it up for me. Oh, look at that. Oh, you guys make neat eggs?
Where do we put them, Grandma? Where's the mine? I can take all of them home. Why?
You guys don't leave them in there long enough.
Put them in here. Put them in here. Let me do on the orange or red. Orange. Red. Chris, can you?
Hang on.
Oh, no, Casey.
Hey, would you go down and get some paper towels, please?
That was great for the video, though, Casey. I gotta tell you.
Let's go.